Hello students, welcome you all. So today now we are going to discuss exercise 8.3 of your book, page number 189. So in the last class we discussed about trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. So there are some formula. So I hope you have you have understood all the formula. So now we will move to the exercise. So let's start with exercise 1.I. So let's start. Sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree is equal to, you know that 18 is equal to 90 minus 72. So 90 minus 72 is 18. Instead of 18 we can write this. So it will be equal to sine 90 minus 72. Instead of 18 we can write 19 minus 72 divided by cos 72 degree. Now it will be equal to, you know, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So you can write cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree was there in the earlier. Now this can be cancelled, will be equal to 1. So answer is 1 for I. Now we will move to the double I part. In the double I, let's write the question. Tan 26 degree divided by cot 64. Cot 64 degree. Okay, it is also the same. Now you know 26 is equal to 90 minus 64, isn't it? So instead of 26 we can write 90 minus 26. So we can write tan, instead of 26 we will write 90 minus 64 divided by cot 64 degree. Now it will be equal to 90 degree minus 64 degree is 26. So tan 90 minus theta will be cot theta. So it will write cot 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree. Now you can see cot 64 by cot 64 will be cancelled. Now it will be equal to 1. So here also answer is equal to 1. Now we will move to triple I. So triple I. Now here you can see we'll add the question. Cos 48 degree, cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Here again you see 48 equal to 90 minus 42, isn't it? So instead of 48 we will write 90 minus 42. Let's start. This will be equal to cos 90 minus 42 degree, 90 degree minus 42 degree minus sine 42 degree will be equal to cos 90 minus theta will be sine theta. So we'll write sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. You see sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree will be equal to 0. So it will be equal to 0. Now we got this answer as 0. So triple I is equal to 0. Now we will move to IV. Okay, let's write the question IV. IV cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree is equal to, instead of 31 we can write 90 minus 59. So we will write cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59 degree equal to cosec 90 minus 59 is here cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So we can write sec 59 degree minus, one second, okay, minus sec 59 degree. Now sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree will be equal to 0. So we got IV is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Now question number 1. After that we will move to question number 2. Let's move to question number 2. Here it is, question number 2. So that this is equal to 1. Tan 48 degree plus tan 23 degree, sorry, not store, plus it's into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. Okay, let's start. We'll add the question first. Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. Now you look at this question. 48 plus 42 is 90, you can see, and 23 plus 67 is also 90. Now what we will do, look at it. Tan 48 can be written as 90 minus 42. So let that 90 minus 42 into tan 23, will keep it as it is, into tan 42 into, here you can see 67 is equal to 90 minus 23. Okay, so we'll write tan 90 minus 23. Instead of 67 we wrote 90 minus 23. Give degree symbol in all the angles. Now it will be equal to tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. You can write cot 42 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into, here it will be cot 23 degree, cot 23 degree. Now you see, we can convert all the cot angles into cot ratios into what? Tan. So cot 42 equal to 1 by tan 42 degree into tan 23, will write as it is into tan 42 degree into cot 23 can be written as into 1 by tan 23 degree. Now you see, tan 42 and tan 42 can be cancelled. Similarly, tan 23 and tan 23 can be cancelled. Denominator numerator and denominator numerator can be cancelled. So here it will be 1 into 1. So you can write equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So we got the result 1. It is saying so that this is equal to 1. So we have proved tan 40 degree into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 degree equal to 1. So we have proved the first section. Now we'll move to the second part, double I. Let's see. Again we'll add the question. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. Okay, we have to prove this is equal to 1. Okay, now you see, here you can see 38 plus 52 is equal to 90. So we can write cos 38 degree into cos 90 minus 38, because we know 90 minus 38 equal to 52. So 90 degree minus 38 degree. Here minus, come to here, sin 38. Okay, and here you have sin 52. Okay, we'll write that. So sin 30, here also 38 plus 52 is equal to what? 90. So we'll write sin 38 degree into sin 90 minus 38. Okay, why? Because 52 equal to 90 minus 38. Now equal to this minus equal to, here you can see cos 38 into cos 90 minus 38. 90 minus 38 will be 90 minus theta is sin theta. So we'll write cos 38 into sin 38. Okay, minus here you can see sin 38, we'll write it as it is, sin 38 Okay, here it is. So cos 38, we write it as it is. One second, I'll clear it out. Huh. Yes, it is here. So sin 38, we'll write it as it is. Sin 38 degree into this. Sin 90 minus theta will be equal to what? Cos theta. So we'll write that. One second. So it will be equal to cos 38 degree. Now look at both the term. Now in both the terms, sin, here you can see cos 38, here you have cos 38 into sin 38, here you have into sin 38. So both the terms are equal. So you can see it will be equal to 0. Okay na? So we have proved this double I part is equal to 0. Now we will move to question number 3. Let's see question number 3. If tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay. Tan 2a equal to cot 1 minus 18. So we'll write the question first. Tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18. So instead of tan 2a, what we can write? Cot 90 minus 2a, because we know cot 90 minus 2a will be equal to tan 2a. Then we will write equal to, we write it as it is, cot a minus 18. Now here you see cot 90 minus 2a equal to cot a minus 18. Therefore 90 minus 2a will be equal to 1 minus 18. Cot is there. Therefore 90 minus 2a angle will also be equal na. 90 minus 2a is equal to 1 minus 18. So you can write, so 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18, implies bring this 2a to here and minus 18 to here. So 90 plus 18 equal to 3a. Now imply you can write 90, it will be 8, 108 equal to 3a. Again here we will write, so a is equal to 108 divided by 3. So answer will be 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. So a equal to 36 degree, or you can write 36 degree. Find the value of a equal to 36 degree. Okay, in this way we can solve it. Now we will move to question number 4. Let's read it. Tan a equal to cot b. Tan a equal to cot b. Prove that a plus b equal to 90. Very simple, very easy and very short question it is. We'll write it tan a equal to cot b. Okay, what is tan a? We can write, I'm writing it for rough. Cot 90 minus a equal to tan a na? That's the formula for us. So instead of tan a, we can write cot 90 minus a. Okay, here we'll write that. Implies cot 90 minus a equal to cot b. Okay, RHS we are not doing anything with RHS. Now cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot b. Therefore we can write, therefore 90 minus a, not 2a, a is equal to cot b, sorry, only b. As cot is there na, so angles must be same. 90 minus a equal to b. So what? One second. Okay, now it is. So 90 minus a will be equal to b. Now you bring this minus a to here. Implies 90 will be equal to b plus a. Okay. Here it is. That is what we have to prove. We can write it in a simpler form. Implies a plus b equal to 90. So we prove that a plus b, a plus b equal to 90 degree. hence proved, you can write hence proved. Okay, now we'll move to the last, I think it's the last question. 6, no, it's not the last. There are more questions. 5, 6, 7. Okay, question number, okay, 5 we have now. 5, let's start. If sec for a equal to cosec a minus 20, where for a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Same story here, you see here. You know that here what is there? Sec for a. Okay, you know that cosec 90 minus for a will be equal to sec for a. Na? This is a formula for us. So instead of sec for a, we can write cosec 90 minus for a. Okay, so we'll write the question first. Sec for a is equal to cosec a minus 20, implies, you can write, implies cosec 90 minus for a is equal to cosec a minus 20, implies, now cosec 90 minus for a is equal to cosec a minus 20, therefore 90 minus for a will be equal to a minus 20, so you can write therefore 90 minus for a is equal to a minus 20. Okay, now implies, bring one second. Implies, you can write, okay, we will bring the angles to one side. 90 is here and bring this minus 20 to LHS. So 90 plus 20 is equal to 20 is equal to a plus for a, implies here it will be 110 equal to 5a. Okay, here we will write it, implies a is equal to 110 divided by 5, which is equal to 5 to the 10 to 10, 22 degree. So we found the value of a to be 22. Okay, so what is, the question is find the value of a. We can write value of a is equal to 22 degree. Now question number 6. Question number 6. If A, B, C are interior angle of a triangle ABC. Okay, so there is a triangle in which name is ABC. Interior angles are A, B, and C. Now what we will do? So that sine B plus C, okay, B plus C must be that, B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. 1 second. Yes. So we have to prove this. So let's start. Here in a triangle ABC, angle A, we can write A plus B plus C. A means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, equal to 180 degree, isn't it? Now we can keep this B plus C here and put the angle A to transpose the angle A to RHS. So angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. Now implies, you can divide 2 on both sides. You can write divide, after dividing 2 on both side, what will get? B plus C by 2 will be equal to 180 minus A by 2, which will be equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay, you keep it in mind. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Now you come to here again, or now AGAI na. Again we will take this one, sin B plus C by 2, okay, is equal to, we can write B plus C is equal to 90 minus A by 2. So we directly write equal to sin, I will write it down here. Sin B plus C is, by 2 equal to sin, instead of B plus C by 2, here you can see it is equal to 90 minus A by 2. So I will directly write 90 minus A by 2, okay, 90 minus A by 2. Now which will be equal to, you know that sin 90 minus A by 2, let it, A by 2 will be theta or angle. So 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So let equal to cos A by 2, okay. So what we find, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. That is what we needed to prove. Sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2, okay. So I will repeat again what we did. We know that here in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C, that means three angles equal to 180 degrees, sum of three angles. Then we put A plus B, B plus C in one side and but A to RHS. So it will become equal to 180 minus A. Then we will divide 2 on both sides, so that it became B plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Then we come to question sin B plus C by 2. We write it sin B plus C by 2 equal to, we have B plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. Then we write, instead of B plus C by 2, we wrote 90 minus A by 2. And we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we write that equal to cos A by 2. So hence proved, you can write hence proved. Okay, now we'll move to question number 7. 7 is the last question, yes. Express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so you can say 67 degree is more than 45 and 75 is also more than 45 degree. So let's start. What we have to do, we have to express these ratios into trigonometric ratio of angle between 0 degree to 45 degree. Okay, let's start. Sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree will be equal to, now you can do it in rough. 67 you have, 67 equal to 90 minus 23, isn't it? 67 equal to 90 minus 23. So instead of 67 we can write 90 minus 23. Similarly 75 equal to 90 minus 15. So instead of 75 we will write 90 minus 15. So let's start. So sin, instead of 67 we will write 90 minus 23 plus cos 75 के जगह पे we will write 90 minus 15, which will be equal to, we know that sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So we will write equal to cos 23 degree plus cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta, sin 15 degree. Now you look at the answer. What we have done, cos 23 degree, isn't it? Cos 23 degree is an angle between 0 to 45. Similarly sin 15 is an angle between 0 to 45. Okay, so it is solved now. Okay, in this way you can solve question number 7.